Hi, do we really understand when and how much to irrigate? Do we really know what we planned was accordingly executed? If the answer to these questions is a big no, don't worry. We have brought a real solution to this problem. We are Irigate. We are an intelligent gateway to smart irrigation with decades of expertise in irrigation and agriculture. Let's first try to understand why to irrigate. The answer is in the plant, soil, and water cycle. Water goes into the soil by rainfall and irrigation. Out of this water, some part of the water runs off the soil. Some of it is evaporated from the soil surface. Some part of the water drains down deep into the soil and is wasted. Now, the roots take up available water from the soil. Water is drawn up the stems to the leaves. Plant veins carry this water into the leaves. And lastly, water evaporates from the leaves. In the conventional irrigation system, approximately 50% of the water is wasted because of insufficient watering methods, which leads to loss of water and fertilizers, which ultimately means loss of money. Keeping all that in mind, Irigate brings you micro-irrigation smart system. With our smart dripping irrigation system, say no to over and under irrigation. Irrigate the soil only when required. With our smart system, each zone schedule is optimized daily based on moisture and weather data. In this way, we can save up to 40% of the water by irrigating only the zones with dry soil. With our smart irrigation system, you can do actual irrigation scheduling, fertilization scheduling, crop rotation decision, bird scaring system scheduling, and other planting practices scheduling. The entire smart system can be handled wirelessly and can be operated with a computer or a cell phone. So, switch to the smart irrigation system. We will provide you with the complete solution with consultancy support and world-class technology at a really affordable price. Call us today to talk to our customer service executive. Happy farming!